Deleting video effects on CapCut on mobile. So if you want to delete video effects on CapCut on your mobile, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you need to go with the edit section. Now here you will have the videos that you've edited, right? Now once you're here, you need to just simply go with your project and you have to add one of the videos from your gallery. Now here on the bottom, you will have the video effects option. So tap on effects. Here you will have the effects option, tap on it and then just go with video effects and then add any video effect that you would like to add to your video. Now for example, we have a video effect like this. Now if you want to remove the video effect and if you don't know how to remove it, then in order to delete your video effect, you need to just go and select the main video effect that you've just added. And once you've selected the video effect, which is right here, tap on the video effect. And once you tap on it, you will have an option on delete, which will be on the bottom, and your video effect will be deleted. So go and select it. And after selecting, tap on delete, which is on the bottom. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to delete video effects on your CapCut on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.